gusto mo makita sa Taiwan?
Twiga.
Twiga! Giraffe. Yes, babe. Nakakahiya ang hingi ng baby ni Jingay. Ayaw tumahan. Talaga naman, ang baby niya. Ano? Kamaingay, baby, ah. And we're here. Taipei, Taiwan International Airport. Hey, hi! We're now in Taiwan.
Taiwan, we're finding we're finding Twiga and a hippo.
Okay. Look, there's a cute dog there. Very cute. We are now here in Taipei. Hey, say hi. Hi! Ayun na si Lucy. Oh, hi! Kakuha lang namin ng Klook Easy card. Ito na siya. May kasama siyang discount coupon. I'm not sure kung saan siya pwede gamitin. Pero ito. Ang cute ng Easy card ko. Pag nag-book kayo sa Klook, ganito rin yung itsura ng Easy card nyo. Tada! Why are you laughing? Uy! Yes, nag-MRT na po kami. Going to Taipei Station. Dahil mas mura. Laki ng difference. From the airport going to Taipei Station. Ayan na. Going to Taipei Station. Ang saya-saya o wala pa kanina. Ang saya pa yan. Andito na kami guys sa Apo Wheel. Early check-in na kami and may bayad ang early check-in. So ito na guys, we are here at Ximending. Hindi ko na video pero kumain na kami dito sa may McDo. Nagutom na gutom ng mga bagets. Hello! For our day 1. Kaya pa? Kaya pa, Ching? Ang daming tao dito sa may rainbow.
Ayun yung Doritos ko.
Yes. Ang daming tao. So from there, sa may Rainbow Street, Rainbow Street ba tawag doon? Basta yun. Rainbow Crossing. Sa tapat niya, tatawid lang kayo dito na yung Red House. Yes. Okay, ang ating photographer for today, si Daddy G. So, ito yung nasa loob ng Red House. More on mga souvenirs. Ayan. May coffee shop din. Cute! Dito naman tayo ngayon sa may Pop Mart. Tingin-tingin lang. Cute to. So, andito na tayo sa pinipilahang milk tea. Try natin. Sana masarap. Homemade yung nila. Dito kami sa may Ximending. May pa-show pala dito. Nakakaaliw. Let's see. Anong gagawin ni Kuya? Oh my gosh, nasa bibig niya, Ching! What? Dalawa, oh. Wow! go, 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 go. Ito yung purple. Aww. Oh, si Ellie nga. Sige nga, Ellie, try. Babe, naghulog lang na naghulog si Ellie. Which one do you want? Isa lang, isa. Anak. Oh. Ayan, gusto mo yan?
Yeah.
Oh, press it. Go, go, go. Aww. Dito mauubos ang kaperahan natin sa claw machine.
More coins.
Teka lang. Oh, go. Busi mo. Aww. Hi guys, it's our day 2 here in Taiwan.
Yeah.
Outfit check. Charad. Kamusta naman, Chin? Ang first night. And ang ating fit check for today. Day 2. Ito na, papunta na kami ng Shimen Station. Dahil papunta kami ng ang pick-up point ng tour is sa Taipei Station. So mag-MRT kami there. What? Okay. Ito ang ating day 2. Namali ako, guys. Sa Shimen lang pala yung pick-up point. Nagpunta kami ng Taipei Station. Sorry.
So smart.
Jesus. Wow, you love each other so much.
Yeah.
Dito na kami sa tour. Si Ellie naka-child seat siya. Kasi kailangan pala, ang law pala dito sa Taiwan. Pag below 7 years old, kailangan naka-child seat pa. So, sabi sa amin nung aming tour guide, dapat daw si Chingay naka-ano din, child seat. Pero, okay lang din daw na hindi na muna sa ngayon kasi hindi siya kapagdala ng isa pa. Ayun. So, akala ko din bus to. Hindi pala siya bus. Para siyang private, private tour. Pero may kasama pa kami dalawa. Kasama kami isang couple sa likod. Ayun.
Let's play.
Let's go for our day 2.
Wait, we gonna play together.
Hindi ko nagtataka kayo kung nasan si Daddy Ching. Andito siya sa unahan.
Daddy Jing down.
Babe, okay.
Hi, Daddy Jing. Hi, Daddy Robbie.
Ayun. So, see you later, guys.
Hi, Daddy Robbie.
Sa ating mga pupuntahan later.
What's
Bye.
fun and Daddy Robbie for here?
What you see in the zone 1 is a king princess. The king princess will be the successor to the queen's head because the queen's head will break off in the next few decades because its diameter is getting thinner and thinner. You see,
I see.
its diameter is getting thinner every year. So one day, in the long run, it will break off.
Hi, guys.
Let's see the rock not touch.
Yes. Cute. Mas agad na. Let's go. Can do this. Go, go, go. So cute, oh. Yeah. Oh, isa lang kalabas yung tang. The last one. Oh, so etong ating lalakbayin for today's video. Okay, more lakad pala here. Ayan, so aakyatin namin yun. Let's see. Ayun na, tumakbo na si Buse. Hi, ate girl. Jesus. Wow.
Ellie, tingay don't run, ha? Hold on.
Let's go to ate. What did you see there?
Look, oh, there's no house.
Yeah, we have to be careful. Baka mahulog ka dyan. Let's go. Come on, ate.
Wala
nice
ka ng
here.
fish. I just saw something like, I saw something move.
Okay.
I saw something say like this.
That's funny. Oh, ito yung na-enjoy nila dito ang mag-slide-slide.
1, 2, 3.
Anak, lower down your voice. Ay, sus. Ayan, nagustuhan nilang magtatakbo here. Oh, Ellie, your turn.
First time.
Ano first time?
Again.
Be careful. So, I think, pwede pa rin itong isama sa itinerary nyo kung may kasama kayong kids. Kasi ewan ko. Medyo nakakapagod lang mag-hike yung pagpapunta na mismo din sa mga rock formation. Pero kinaya naman ng mga bagets at super enjoy naman sila dito.
And guys, look, I
Fun?
saw some baby fishes.
Oh no, be careful.
Pinky kitty. Now there is something. Taiwan is the best. I always go to Taiwan forever. We
Uy.
always stay.
Oh, ano?
Let's stay just the right. Wow.
Ewan ko sa mga batang to. Ang daming energy. Ito guys, yung pinaka-famous na rock formation dito. Sabi nung tour guide namin, itong Queen's Head. Every year daw, numinipis na siya ng numinipis. So, hindi natin alam kung hanggang kailan na lang siyang nandiyan dyan. Pero grabe yung pila, oh. Para magpa-picture. Ayun, ang ganda ng pila. Hindi na kami pumila. Ano-ano na lang. Tawag dyan? Starty na lang po. Nagpapabideo si Boss Bossing.
Okay, how about Chichi?
Si Boss na nagpapabideo.
Sige,
Ay, sus! Ay, sus!
Tita, me too.
Right here. Halika mo na, anak.
Ah, tabi ka muna, nak. Tabi ka muna. Mag-picture si ate.
Sige, yung ganun sa akin.
Hi!
Hi.
Up, 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 up! Huy, huy! Eli, wait!
Fine.
Di ba ang kulit ni Busi, guys? Ang likot!
Sige dito.
Ayan. So, 1960, makapal pa si Queen Head. Ngayon, 2025, ganito siya kanipis. Yan. Eli! Let's go, let's go!
Hi.
We're back. Dito sa van. Papunta na kami ng GUFEN. Yun daw yung aming next tour. Hintay na lang yung couple na nasa likod namin dahil hindi pa sila nakabalik.
Mama, did you dito ba?
Later. Look, what are you eating, guys?
I'm eating bread because if I'm always sleeping, yung tummy ko, and I really want chips. I really want to eat chips, but Mama said no.
Yeah, you can eat a little bit lang. Hindi pwedeng madami. Kasi sumasakit yung Chingay. Sumasakit yung Chingay. Sumasakit yung tummy ni Chingay. Pero thank God, yesterday hindi na talaga sumakit ang tummy niya. So kinokontrol namin yung diet niya ngayon. Guys, nandito na kami sa GUFEN. Here at GUFEN. Ang daming ano.
Mama,
Ano pwede mabili?
Sige na, Alin, pumili ka na. How much is this one?
Ayan na, nagbubudula na po mga kapamilya. Chingay, there's one more here. Oh, parang mas cute to.
Jing, sure ka na? Ito talaga
Ah,
sa'yo.
same lang pala ng color.
yeah, it's
Sure?
my favorite.
Eli, sure?
Yeah.
You really like that? Okay. So, andito na kami sa GUFEN Street.
Hello, hello. My
Oh, hello, hello daw.
Daddy
Oh.
Boo is
Nabudol na. Okay, si Sharky. Ang daming kainan. So, let's see kung saan kami makakakain. Gusto daw ni Daddy Jing ng braised pork. Oo. Ayan siya, guys. Anak, tabi, baby. Hello. Si... Uy, buti Buti nga hindi yung sobrang siksika ng tao. Or lahat kumakayan yun. O dito daw yung Braceport. Ah, ito yung Braceport. Ito yung kinikrave ni Daddy Jing. So let's see. Oh, sobrang sarap daw. Kaso ano din, jump pack din ng mga tao.
Thank you.
Uy, ang mura lang ha. 100 lang oh. 150. Ah, lalabas muna. Okay, lalabas daw muna kami.
Pangalawa tayo.
Okay, so we're...
Bay, ako na
Nagkita muna tayo sa seats.
braised pork rice.
Kids, tabi kayo please ha.
Bay, braised pork rice bowl.
At eto na ang mga in-order namin. Puro braised pork. Sarap daw kasi talagang braised pork dito, sabi ni Daddy Jing. So, let's try. Okay, go na, eat na.
Pwede na bang kumain?
Okay na, okay na. So, kakain muna kami. Look at that. So, kusog pa. Lumaba na kami sa may Geofen. Hinihintay na namin yung aming tour guide. Dito na kami sa meeting point. Medyo maulan. Buti na lang may dala kaming payong. Hindi naman actually maulan. Ambon lang, ambon. Yeah. And ipapakita ko sa inyo yung temple dito. Ang ganda niya, kaso lang hindi namin pinasok kasi medyo nakakatakot. Let's see. Yan yung temple, guys. Ang daming nagpipicture. Ito pa siya. Ang laki, no? Ayan. Kaso natakot yung mga kids pumasok. Ayan. So, yeah. Hintayin na lang natin yung aming tour guide. Dahil medyo maaga kami. Napaaga ng baba. Dito na kami, guys, sa Shifin. It's okay, it's okay.
Buso dito.
Go, Busen. Nag-draw si Ate Chichi ng heart.
Heart.
Heart, heart! What's that? What's that? Okay. Nirate nila yung name nila. Yay! Good job! Eto na ang ating lantern. Palili pa rin na natin yan. And yung last na side is this one. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Dili, papali pa rin na natin na. Opo, opo. Okay na. Okay. Namin ang nagliliparan. Ayan na. Ito na yung sa akin. Hold. Patod na magpalipad ng lantern. Kakain muna. Is it yummy, Buse? So, daw tikman ni ate yung sausage. Next stop is Everidge Duty Free. Opo. Let's go, let's go, let's
I
go.
want to make a pie.
Oh, quiet. Oh. Wow, look oh. Wow. Ay, cute. Ay, sila Woody Ching.
Mickey Mouse.
Ayan. Dami pahira ni Daddy Robbie. Magsha-shopping daw kami.
We're making a pineapple cake.
Yes, we're gonna making a pineapple cake.
Like that.
Yes.
A truth.
Okay, thank you. Ay, shopping pass. Wow, we have a shopping pass.
Where we're gonna doing the pineapple cake DIY.
Oh.
When you are done with
Thank you. Tingnan natin ang gawa ni Papa. Wait lang.
Okay, then we can take the skin and we can press it all palm here. We can press it like this.
King Prince Mamulis.
Yeah, as bigger as all palm.
Let me see, anak. Let me see yours. Wow. Oh, you cover it na. Good job.
Can I make
The filling is already inside. Ano ba yan? Wow, good job.
We can just
Let's
make
see
it
buses.
We can use this and then
Hold it. Smell yummy. Not yet, not yet. Later.
Okay lang, hindi masyado.
because we will bake with the malt also. So please
Oo, kasi masisira siya pag diniinan mo.
Slowly lang.
Slowly lang.
Gentle. Do it gentle.
Again.
Slowly. A bit lang. Okay,
Up,
enough?
up, up.
Okay, good job. Good job, Buzi. Sige, say I think ito ate.
so now we can
Okay, tapos na. Babalikan na lang namin.
And I want to smell it.
try this.
Don't do that. Cute. Naku. Mukhang mabubudol kami dito ah. Wow! Who's that? Star Wars. That's the Star Wars. Ayan. So, nakuha na namin yung mga pineapple cake na ginawa nila.
Wow. The ice
Ate, here's your pineapple cake na. It's done.
Is this mine?
Oh, mukhang masarap oh. This is yours, my love.
Let's try.
Try to eat.
Let's try to eat.
Look here, let me know if it's nice, ha? How's the taste?
Yummy.
It's yummy. How about you, ate? You don't...
Hindi pwede ito maging food vlogger. May subtitle ang mukha. Dapat ganito pag food vlogger.
Patingin nga. Ano ba naman yung tsura mo? Hello, Busi. It's yummy. Really? You like it? You really like it so much?
Yeah.
Hi, guys. Tikman natin itsar. Let's see kung masarap.
Quite
Ako mahilig sa pineapple eh, pero... Sige.
I want to play.
Masarap naman. Masarap naman. Ito siya, oh. Nasa loob. Ito ba yung sweet? Kasi di ba may maasim daw? Masarap siya, guys.
Masarap ka.
Kung itatry nyo lang naman, di ba? Uy, sulit na to ha. Kasama to sa sa tour namin with Klook. Yeah, kasama ang pineapple cake. DIY pineapple cake making. Akala ko optional to, pero kasama pa rin talaga siya. Patingin muna. Paano yung ginagawa mo? Patingin muna sa vlog ko muna. Happy yarn. Tignan mo si Musi. Pati si Musi. Sabi na, see you later, guys.
See you later, guys.
Okay. And we made it to Rauhe Street Night Market. Ito ay tsura niya. So, parang lalakarin natin buong stretch nun.
Ay!
Ay, look!
Ay! Look!
There's a cat there! You wanna say hi? Nagpakilig pa naman ng mga to sa pusa. Say hi! Asus! Tuwan-tuwa eh. Hello! Okay! Asus! Yung meow-meow na pose. Ito na tayo. Papasok na sa Rauhe Market. Parang ang dami lang tao. Frozen fruit. Mga dry. Eli, don't touch anything, ha? Langkit ng mga wallet. May mga Pikachu. Uy, mukhang masarap yan.
Ano lang?
Wait, should we buy this?
Uy, Mama, sabi na.
Hello Guys, bumalik kami sa Shimendi. Sa Shimendi ang bagsak namin. Kasi parang wala kami makain dun sa sa night market. So yes. Say hi. So basically, that's it for our day 2. So, see you tomorrow in our day 3. Bye. What face is that? What face is that, Jose? Okay, see you tomorrow, guys. Silly boy. Bye.